Harbor Breeze ceiling fans can be operated manually without a remote control. The primary method uses pull chains attached directly to the fan unit. Most Harbor Breeze fans have two pull chains. One chain controls the fan speed, while the other operates the light fixture if your fan has one. The fan speed chain typically offers four settings: off, low, medium, and high. Each pull of the chain cycles through these speed options in sequence. Pull the chain once to turn the fan on low speed, pull again for medium, again for high, and once more to turn it off. If your fan is connected to a wall switch, you can use it to turn the fan on or off. However, wall switches typically cannot control the fan speed. For the wall switch to work properly, the pull chain switch on the fan must be set to the on position. If the pull chain is set to off, the wall switch will not be able to operate the fan. These manual controls provide reliable operation of your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan without requiring a remote control, giving you direct access to both fan speed and lighting functions. When your Harbor Breeze fan isn't working, start with the most common issue: checking your circuit breaker. A tripped breaker is often the culprit behind a non-functioning fan. If the breaker is fine, test your wall switch with a circuit tester or multimeter. This will help you determine if the switch itself is faulty and needs replacement. For advanced users comfortable with electrical work, you can bypass the remote receiver entirely. This involves direct wiring, but requires careful attention to safety and proper connections. To bypass the receiver, connect the fan's black wire directly to the black wire from your wall circuit. However, this is advanced electrical work that requires proper safety precautions and knowledge. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous. When in doubt, always consult a qualified electrician. Your safety is more important than saving money on professional installation.